So, when it comes to Belial, I deem him Jupiterian. First and foremost, I deem him Jupiterian. And I've been in close relations with him alone for 2.5 years. And he's still here every day. Won't leave. Just talking to me. He's not in my body anymore since EA quitting got him out, but still around in the astral. So I know him very well. He's been constantly around me now for it's up to 5 years soon. And I deem him primarily Jupiterian. So that's why he's so severely punished by his higher self, his outer and inner critic ego. You got to study psychology. But when he's abusive and evil, he gets severely punished because Jupiter is known as the master of beneficence. So Jupiterians are never meant to be evil. Death, they are preservers and lovers, not destroyers.